Good morning. This is 7.7, part 1. Okay, we're going to concentrate on the perimeter today. So the perimeter of similar figures, if figure B is similar to figure A by a scale factor, then the perimeter of B is equal to the perimeter of A times that scale factor. So if this one is unknown, you're going to multiply the figure A by the scale factor and find B. Okay? Remember that the scale factor is the new over the original or the missing over the known. Okay, so first we're going to label known. Let's do this. Let's just get this out of here. Okay, this one is my known. This one is my missing. And we need to, each pair of similar figures, find the perimeter of the second figure. So the perimeter of this is 18. Okay, so the scale factor remembering the scale factor is the new over the original or the missing over the known. So the missing, so we're going to put 4 over the 3. Okay, and then the perimeter, if this is all, this is 3, or this is, the perimeter right here is 18. It's going to be 18 centimeters multiplied by that scale factor of 4/3. Whenever you are multiplying by a fraction, you're going to multiply by the numerator and divide by the denominator. Or you can factor a 3 out of both the top and bottom. So we have 1 and here becomes 6. So then we have only 6. 6 is an easier number to work with. 6 times 4 is 24 centimeters. Now if you would have put this in a calculator and done 18 times 4 and then divided by 3, you would still get 24. So this is 24. Alright, next one. Okay, triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. If the perimeter of LMN is 64, what is this one? So this is our known. This is our missing. Remembering that we're going to do missing over the known. So our missing is 18. Our known is 24. This is our scale factor. I want to reduce this down. They can both be divided by 6, so 3/4 is my scale factor. I'm going to take my 64 and multiply it by my 3/4. So if I do 64 times, or 3 and divide by 4, I will get 48. Or I could also divide both of these by 4, because this is on the top of a fraction. 64 times, or divided by 4 is 16. Then I just have 16 times 3, and it gives me 48, not forgetting to label my answer. Okay, 2 rectangles are similar. One has a length of 6. And the perimeter is 24. The other one has a length of 7. And we're looking for that one. Again, missing over the known. So my missing, this one's my missing one. So it's going to be 7 over 6. This is my scale factor. This can't be reduced down. Then I'm going to find the perimeter by taking 24, multiplying it by my 7 over my 6. Remember, when multiplying, I can factor out on top and bottom. Hey! Shh! 6 and 24 can both be divided by 6. This becomes 4. And then I only have 4 times 7, which is 28. And then, not forgetting, this would be inches. Shh. Alright, so in the scale drawing, the perimeter of the garden is 64 inches. Here, the whole thing is 64. The actual length of AB is 18 feet. What is the perimeter? So, we want to first look. The actual length is 18 feet. So what is the perimeter of the actual garden? So, our missing is our actual. So the actual garden is our missing. So again, we're going to take our missing, so 18 feet, because that's from our actual length. So 18 feet over the 24 inches. We want to make sure to label here. Not forgetting our labels. So my scale factor here, I need to make sure these are the same. So 18 feet, how many inches are in a feet? In a foot? There's 12. So this is actually how many inches. So I want these to be the same. 24 inches already in inches. I need to multiply this by 12. So this gets me 216. So now they are the same, and then I can reduce them down. So 216 and 214, or 216 divided by 214 is equal to 9. So this is the scale factor of 9. Okay, so my 64 needs to be multiplied. So now to find the perimeter, I need to take the 64 from my scale drawing, or my drawing, and multiply it by that 9, which gets me 516 inches. But I want to know what it is in feet, so I want to leave it as feet, so I need to divide this one by that 12. And that will get me 48 feet is the perimeter of my actual. Okay. Our next one, 2 quilting squares are shown. The scale factor is 3 to 2. So it is given. It gives us our scale factor. What is the perimeter of this one here? Well, this is 4, so we need to first figure out here. So first, the perimeter here, it does not give us what the perimeter is, but this is a square, so we know that these are all 4. So the perimeter is going to be 4 inches multiplied by the 4 sides. Or you could do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So the perimeter is going to be 16 inches. So we need to find the perimeter of this. Well, then we have to multiply the perimeter, that's 16, and multiply it by that scale factor of 3 to 2. So again, I can divide these both by 2. So 8 times 3 is equal to 24, and that would be inches. Okay, we're going to skip this assignment. We're going to do this on Friday in class. we're going to move right on to the area. So just like before, and actually I'm going to make 2 different videos because I don't think I'll get through area.